Matt is fishing in there, that guy. We are the same, we are both day off. Captain Chef. They are fighting. The fish at the...
Oh, I think fish together.
We'll take video, Chef.
Big teeth.
The name is Big Tip.
No, long tom. Yeah. Yeah.
I leave my bike to Chef Matt. Yeah, and I'm going to buy him a coffee because Chef Matt always drink coffee. Like every morning when we are doing the breakfast, he drink 3 coffee already just in the morning. I am worrying about the bike because it's maybe going to fall off by the wind. I didn't see it. What is it?
It's
What is that? Dalmatian. There is a spot.
It's alright.
It's too small.
Too small.
Huh?
Yeah.
Chef Matt is there. I thought he will be working tomorrow. Until I said, see you tomorrow, Chef. And he said, no, I'll be day off. I took for granted. Oh, this car is beautiful looking. We are now here. The wind is still cold. That's why you notice that not so much people. There are some fishermen in there. Nice. The wind is bearable, so yeah, some people are still outside here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We go inside this. In love, I will never what to do next time I fall in love. Ooh, the next time I fall in love. The next time I fall in love, it would be with you. In love, I will never what to do next time I fall in love. Ooh, the next time I fall in love. Oh, there's not even one car in here. Usually many people are parked. Many cars are parked in here and they are fishing. The driver of those cars. Should we go there? Oh, not today. There is the guy there. He is watering the plant. If I'm not mistaken, I speak to him already before. Yeah, we talk about the bike. He stopped me. He said, "I thought you're going to sell me your bike." I think he's just joking. I never said that to him. Touch my lips, I'm on fire. You're the only one I ever desire. Oh, until now there is water here. I will not keep going because look at that, too much water in there. And I'm sure it's already slippery because it's been there more than 2 months, I think. Yeah, and also in that swamp, a lot of water. I'm going back because there is a way going that side. Yeah, this coffee is now cold. If I have my mug, for sure, until now it's hot still. And we are now here in Pingal Bay. We're just going to the toilet and then keep on going. Yeah, this stand is broken already, a little bend. And we are now here in Pingal Bay. The center of this area is just behind of these houses. There is a restaurant and shops. Oh, almost. Yeah, looks like this is like a vacation house. And there are some people there. They are paddle boarding. Okay, that's it for today here. We are going home now. Yo, I stopped here because look at that, there's one echidna. Yeah, it's echidna. I think he is digging. Amazing. I think he's digging or taking something kind of like a food. I'm not too sure. Oh yeah. He's still not aware that I am here, that someone is looking at him. I use my phone to record so that it is bigger. Echidna. There is one lady, beautiful lady that passed through by here, and I asked her, what is that? She said it's echidna. Yeah, there is one.
Go check it. Just that's how you fella. Just look.
It's okay already.
Fine. I really should have brought it. We'll see more. If it's there today, it'll be around. Can you believe that? How cool! 1 metre out of the house and the first thing we see is an echidna.
Oh, the sand is very clear. There's no, there are some footprints, but it still looks fresh and beautiful. High tide just finished. That's why it looks clean like that. We're now home. I also took money from the ATM machine, $250 for the house rent. And the time now is, yeah, this is the right time. It's 4:08. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. Yeah, so I have a complete hours today. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is how I look. It's cold. I didn't check the temperature, but In here it is less than 10 degrees. Let's check how it is in here. Yeah, less than 10 degrees. Outside is really good today. It is not windy. It is going to be sunny. But the temperature, of course, is going to be cold. And wearing a sweater will be comfortable. And maybe, yeah, 12 o'clock this afternoon, we are going to meet a friend from Newcastle. Friend from Sydney. And then, yeah, we're going to meet Jen. And we're going to eat in the restaurant of her friend here in Nelson Bay area. I still have 19 minutes for that. The room is not yet clean, but I already cleaned the toilet. As you can see, yeah, you can see inside, very clear. Nice. Also this, already clean. Already clean, mate. It is my towel, and I'm going to wash it later. All the other things that I need to wash are already hanging in there. And this time, I am now just waiting for Rafael. He's going to pick me up at around 12 o'clock.
What do you got, the day off again?
Day off again, today and tomorrow.
And tomorrow?
Yeah.
Beautiful weather, mate.
Yeah, I am here. I'm waiting for my cappuccino. The other guys is in there. They are waiting. They are doing some pictorials. Yo, we are now in the grocery and we're going to buy something. I don't know yet. We're going to take one of this mushroom. Actually, I'm not sure. I didn't see the price of the mushroom. But this one they have here, it's $6. We're going to take one of this Devondale Tasty shredded cheese. It's $7.50. Yeah, 600 grams. And we're also going to take one of this cream cheese. This is just $2.90. We are also going to take one of this pork. This is just $9.58. And again, we're going to take one of this lactose-free full cream milk, which is $1.70. I am now able to finish one liter of milk, because before, yeah, I used it one time and then I forgot in the fridge and it's spoiled. Now I always finish it because I'm now eating oatmeal muesli. And we're going to take one of this tomato sauce. This is just $1.50. Yeah, I feel that this is too much for me, but yeah, I'm taking it. I also need the tissue and laundry soap, but I don't have my bike and it's going to be heavy. I will be just walking, so I want to be walking comfortable, so I will buy that next time. Oh, I found it. They have this. This is the face mask KN95. 2 pack is $12. Yeah, but I already have. I actually have one in my pocket. We are also going to take one of these unsalted mixed nuts. I can still carry it, so yeah, I will take laundry soap. Oh, look at that! This is just $5. Regular price is $10. 1 liter. Actually, this one is cheaper. $5.50. It's a 2 liters. This is actually a little heavy and not so comfortable to walk. The cashier gave me this kind of toy. Yeah, this toy. And I met Angela near the cashier. Angela is one of my colleagues. And yeah, she is the owner of the restaurant before near the Albura Marina. It is so very good when you are with your bike. With this, it's a little heavy, mate. I'm getting a little sweat, just by walking. And there's no townhouse here. And it looks beautiful. And it says that it's ready for occupant. Ready to be occupied. Like a hotel. Beautiful looking. Modern. And here there's a small staircase. Okay, we are home. It is now 5 o'clock. And walking is tiring if you are carrying something a little heavy. I remember that when I was a kid, when I was young, until high school, I have a bucket, big bucket, and we need to take water from around 50 meter away. Yeah, that's heavy. Oh, this thing. Yeah, the cashier gave it to me, and actually the cashier gave me two, and she said give one to my friend. And it was Angela that is also in the cashier area. And it's like this. It's a rubber. Yeah, similar to when I was a kid also. If you know plastic.